स्थापना दिवस समारोह के उपलक्ष्य में होने वाले सांस्कृतिक संध्या के अवसर पर आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। यह दिवस हम सभी के लिए अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण हो जाता है, क्योंकि यही वह दिवस है जब आज से 29 वर्ष पूर्व इस संस्थान की नींव रखी गई थी, जिस पर बनी यह बुलंद इमारत आज आपके सामने सर उठाए गर्व से खड़ी है। और उतने ही गर्व के साथ हिस्सा है हम सभी इस संस्थान का, इस इमारत का और इसकी संस्कृति का। कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए दीप प्रज्वलन के लिए मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ हमारे संस्थान के न्यासी सचिव श्री ML मेहता साहब, संस्थापक न्यासी डॉक्टर अशोक अग्रवाल साहब, संस्था निदेशक डॉक्टर SD गुप्ता साहब, संस्था सलाहकार ब्रिगेडियर डॉक्टर SK पुरी VSM तथा श्री देबाशीष रॉय HR हेड सन फार्मा। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। हमारी भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार किसी भी नए उद्यम के शुभारंभ की कामना के लिए एक दंत का स्मरण किया जाता है। आइए इसी परंपरा को निभाते हुए हम ईश्वर की स्तुति से, वह ईश्वर जो समस्त संसार के रचयिता है, गणेश वंदना के रूप में उनका आशीर्वाद प्राप्त करें।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम। 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 विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक, विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक मंगलम गणेशा। देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम। देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम। विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक, विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक मंगलम गणेशा। देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम।
season's greetings and a very good evening to the distinguished guests, delegates, members of the alumni, members of the faculty, staff, and other closely associated people present here to witness the celebrations of the 30th Foundation Day of our institute. On this particular occasion, of our completing 29 years of presence and entering the 30th year, it becomes more significant as we have completed 3 decades. We are entering in completion of the 3rd decade. I extend a special welcome to Dr. Ashok Agarwal and Madam Manisha Agarwal. Dr. Ashok Agarwal, the founder trustee IIHMR, who has managed his time to be with us despite his very busy schedules. We welcome you, sir. We welcome you, ma'am. Dr. Agarwal's concern and commitment for improving the standards of our institution inspires us all at all times. I am equally pleased to welcome Shri M.L. Mehta, Trustee Secretary, IIHMR, and Dr. S.D. Gupta, Corporate Director, IIHMR. I extend a heartfelt welcome to our special guest, Mr. Debashish Roy from the Sun Pharmaceuticals Limited, Bombay. We welcome you, sir. I will not be between these distinguished people and you for any longer than I am required to be. It is always a pleasure to listen to Dr. S.D. Gupta on any occasion. His open-minded and futuristic approach that he possesses motivates us all. Having said that, may I humbly request Dr. S.D. Gupta, Director IIHMR Jaipur, to enlighten us with his words of wisdom. Sir.
Friends, today is not the day, this evening is not the day to give lectures, but still we have a very onerous duty and responsibility to felicitate you all and congratulate you all on the 30th Foundation Day of the Institute. There is also an occasion to welcome you all on this festivity, and we have gone through such a long period of time in the history of the institutions, nurturing of institution with the same intensity right from the day of inception and still continuing is exceptional, and that has what we see today has resulted into it. I'll not speak much. I would like to congratulate you again and also welcome all delegates, distinguished guests, and faculty and students on this occasion. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Gupta, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we get a chance to hear Dr. Ashok Agarwal on a very few occasions. But today is a day that is very close to his heart. Long years ago, he was one of those few people who were instrumental in laying the foundations of this grand institution, this grand institute, Indian Institute of Health Management Research. Sir, on this day, I request you to please come up on the stage and share your feelings with us. Dr. Agarwal.
Dear students, respected faculty members, delegates and friends, year after year, I come on this stage on the Foundation Day and say a few words. People credit me that this issue was started by so-and-so person, and every year, year after year, I say the same thing, that it was a collective effort of some people who came together 31 years ago and could make a decision within a span of 12 months to start something very new, a new discipline, not only in this country, but many countries, or I could say that most countries around the world. The discipline is health management, includes hospital, includes pharmaceutical, includes rural health management. At that time, all those who came together were volunteers in this institution. were volunteers in the institution building. And since then, when this institute has been run, it is run by volunteers. The specialty of this institute, IHMR, why people love IHMR, why they love their culture, is because of its volunteerism. Even today, in Mr. M.L. Mehta, we see a volunteer. Volunteer is a person who would, out of own will, out of own choice, would volunteer his or her time, energy and thought process to do something good for the people without expecting any returns. 30 years ago, Mr. M.L. Mehta was like that. Even today, he is like that. So, the beauty of this institution is its volunteerism. Why I am stressing this? Because yesterday night I saw a lot of alumni and I also saw a lot of our students. And I kept telling all of them, look, tomorrow you are going to be alumni and you are going to work for this institution on a voluntary basis. By saying that, I meant that they would come to this institute time and again, meet us, help us make this institution grow further and bigger. Those who started this institution as a volunteer 30 years ago, they may not be there forever. So we certainly need new blood, new thought process, more modern working style, more modern thinking style in this institution. Because I don't see this as a college. I see this as an institution. An institution which is beyond just being an example. It is a leader which others have to follow and are following today. So everything we do here, others are to follow. So today we are looking for more volunteers and forever. I hope this institution is run as it has been run last 30 years by volunteers. Thank you very much.
To just what Dr. Ashok Agarwal said, may I most humbly add the famous poet, the famous शायर असदुल्लाह खां गालिब्स 2 lines. रगों में दौड़ते रहने के हम नहीं कायल, रगों में दौड़ते रहने के हम नहीं कायल, जो आँख ही से न टपका फिर लहू क्या है. We are indeed an institution with a difference. I am very proud, and I am sure all of us are equally proud to be a part of this grand and magnanimous institution. Thank you very much for your words of wisdom, sir. May I now request Shri M.L. Mehta, Trustee Secretary, IIHMR Society, who has been associated with IIHMR since its inception, to address all of us. Shri Mehta's vast experience and ease of delivery makes it a pleasure to hear him and inspires us to learn from him. So,
my deep felicitations to the entire IIHMR family, the faculty, the students and the non-teaching staff, because they have made it work. I am rather hesitant to mention a name which you might say that both of us are members of a mutual back-scratching society. Dr. Agarwal mentioned my name, and I, not per force, but genuinely I want to mention his name because the institute owes to somebody a debt. That somebody is none other than Dr. Ashok Agarwal. I saw him struggling hard. I saw him putting together a band of people for discussion and conceptualizing the entire institute, raising the building. The institute, their footwork is today. We all have, surely, he couldn't have done it by himself. Not many people have helped him to work. Then the institute, he's built up an institute not on crass commercialism, but he built up the institute on volunteerism, as he was mentioning, and a not-for-profit institute which has certain values, ethics, and the institute is growing, despite the fact that the commerce is taking over all endeavors of activity in the country. But the institute is still growing. So my felicitations to you again on the 30th the foundation day. Lot many things have happened. Let me mention two things only. This morning I made an announcement about the university status for Ajmer, and there couldn't be a better day to announce it than the 30th foundation day. The institute, we were trying for it for quite some time. It happened today. So my congratulations to all of you that you are now part of a university network. We were an institute, but now we are a university. Then I announced this morning, in fact, we thought we must have alumni reunion. Alumni come every year, they should come, this alumni, this is their institute. And their extended arm of the institute, we thought a batch special, batch solidarity, particular batch, first batch, second batch. There's a Dhobi marka which you have, one first batch, second batch, third batch. For example, I'm a 1963 batch of the IA, so all this stays the rest of the life. There's 63 batch, such and such person. So we thought we would have a reunion 20 years after. Every batch will come back, we'll host a meet with spouse on and institute viewers, and have spent gala time 2 days here, exchanging notes down the memory lane, thinking about this. And we would surely enjoy seeing you here. It's rekindling past memories and all that. Many things would change after the university. But the change is the basic way of life. Nothing stays together. Nothing stays as it is. Sun changes every day, moon changes, star change, life changes, men change. And the institute therefore also changes. But institutional building is a very, very difficult task. And over a long period, we began very small, in a garage. It's not believable that this institute took birth in a garage. Then we moved over to a rented building, another rented building, and finally we got set down here. And this long journey, we lost some people as well. It's again a way of the part of the change. We grew spatially. We went to Bangalore, we went to Delhi, we were trying to go to Kolkata as well. East, west, north, south. We went internationally. We created the global footprint, as it were. We tried it Jeddah first, Sana thereafter. We do after some time, and then went to Afghanistan, and we're still active there. And this indicates the growth prospects. It indicates the quality work when people are seeking support from Ajmer in the health sector particularly. We had today our guest, Mr. Devashish. The Sun Pharma decided to honor 2 pharma students every year. They gave the offer last year, and then today has come to the institute to honor those students every year. They're good pharma students, they'll pick up and give an award of 20,000 rupees per student. Now Sun Pharma, we have nothing in common in the sense that Sun Pharma is Bombay based, so we are here. But then what binds us together, the bonding is because of a discipline. That the Sun Pharma is the country's largest pharma conglomerate. Market capitalization is highest. We are the best sectoral school in health management. So almost both of us keeping top positions. So these the two organizations, the top of that list, are coming together again to advance, to further the interest of the industry. So this is a part of our effort to come close to the industry. As a little while ago I was discussing with him, we'd like to have a feedback from you as to how our students have done. And he was quite happy about the students who are serving the Sun Pharma. And we thought we'd still do better. So we constantly take this feedback from the employers. We take the feedback from students as well, our alumni as well, as to when they join at the workplace where they feel very uncomfortable. If they had this feel that if I had known this thing more, then I would have been better off. This is a part of the feedback which goes in decision making about designing the course and so on.